Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Work Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2015 John Deere 2025R compact tractor loader belly mower. It's going to have the quick attach H130 front loader and a 60-inch quick attach John Deere bucket. I do have a set of John Deere pallet forks available for this in 42-inch, and I'm selling separately. That was with the tractor, but I am separating them. Folding roll bar, 435 hours. Was a one-owner tractor. I did buy it from the original owner. Very nice, clean piece. We're going to start here right underneath the engine compartment, as we always do. Folding roll bar, or folding grill guard. Don't mind me, it's cold. Tractor has been completely and fully serviced. We just did it with a complete John Deere filter pack. Did all filters and oils, including the inner air filter. Everything there has been serviced. We like to do that so we know what we have. Tractor has been washed and waxed. We're going to go ahead, set this down. I do have a very nice Frontier stone rake that was also with this tractor that we were selling separately. So if you'd be looking for a nice stone rake, we do have one for sale. Bucket is in excellent condition, 60-inch. Turf tire package on this does have the Carlisle multi-track tires. Tires are going to be 75%. All are matching. There's no oil leaks, welds, cracks, busts, anything of that nature. Hood is in very, very nice condition. Also fenders. 54D on-ramp deck. Coming to the back, category 1 3-point hitch. You can see very nice condition. Top link is with it, 540 PTO, and you can see that there's hardly anything on the PTO. Drawbar is with it. I do have the books and manuals of this tractor. I'll head to the other side. Controls. You have high and low range, selection of PTO, mid and rear, or rear. Joystick loader control, up and down for your mower deck. Your in height stall for, or yeah, your height for the mower deck. Turn signals, PTO engagement, hour meter, and fuel gauge. I'm going to go ahead and fire this tractor up, run it around. We're going to show you that the full drive works the way it's supposed to, and all of its ranges. Here we go. Guys, there you have it. 2015 John Deere 2025R with the H130 loader, 60-inch front bucket, John Deere style quick attach on the front, 4-wheel drive power steering, 540 PTO, 3-point hitch, drawbar, folding ROPS, 52D on-ramp deck. Very nice, clean tractor. We're living in a market today of hard to find stuff. You know, and I'm no famous YouTuber at all, don't want to be, and you know, yet all these guys out there that have these YouTube channels that talk about compact tractors. There's one guy sat down yesterday and watched a bunch of his videos, and he just put out a video stating about, is he getting out of buying and selling the compact tractor market, you know, buying and selling tractors. You know, the funny thing with that is, he made a comment in this video about that he's just not willing to risk his money in the volatile market we're in. Well, the truth of the matter is, there's guys like myself, that's all we've ever known, been in the equipment business, it's what we stayed in. I'm not tomorrow going to go out and get in the tree business, or go out and get in the trucking business, or I'm not going to go out and get into home mortgage business. This is what we know, this is what we're always going to do. Whether we're in good times, bad times, times that you can't find good used equipment, you have to just muddle through it and do your thing and try to come up with good stuff. And that's what I have, a lineup of stuff right now. I have a lot of really nice equipment. It is so hard to buy, it is so hard to find, but yet I still am coming up with some. So, you know, at the end of the day, this is a private owned piece. Is glad to really buy it. People know that we buy equipment, and we still have a lot of phone calls coming in, which is great. But, you know, in today's market, I'm going to say something that I'll catch a lot of flack from on the keyboard warriors. You know, if you find something today it's nice, you better step up and buy it, because it is not going to be there tomorrow. And that is the world we're going to live in. It's not going to get better for 2 to 3, maybe 4 years. Here we are. Buckle in, hang on, and ride the wave. It's all you can do. But if you are looking for a nice, clean piece, here's something to take a look at. Again, we take the time, we service our stuff, we know what we got, we like to put good stuff out the door. Here's something to take a look at. 814-658-3066, and I do have a Kubota hat running a John Deere. Does that make you a bad person? I don't know. We'll see. Hey, thank you again for checking us out. Have a great day. 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.